Are you trying to crack the code of YouTube SEO, but you're lost in a sea of keywords? What if I told you that there's a process and tool that could simplify it all? Hi, I'm Irene Chan. I'm a writer and YouTube video host, and I've been doing SEO since like 13 years ago. And the tips that I'm sharing here is a culmination of all the best practices I've learned from all of the best YouTubers, plus my own personal process as well to simplify YouTube SEO so you're not overwhelmed and you can actually start to see the results. In our other videos, we actually started putting together some initial keyword lists, and in this video, we're going to help you prioritize them so you can decide which videos goes into production first. First things first, let's talk about keyword volume and competition because that's how mainly we're going to prioritize all of the keywords in your list. Keyword volume tells you how many people are searching for a specific keyword, while competition indicates how hard it is to rank for that keyword. As a rule of thumb, you want to find keywords with high volume and low competition. This means that a lot of people are searching for it, but not many channels covering it. Now, let's talk about a tool that can simplify your YouTube SEO process. And I'm talking about TubeBuddy. And you might ask, why TubeBuddy? Well, for starters, it's incredibly affordable. At just $4.50 per month, it's a tool that's accessible to virtually any content creator, big or small. And if you're lucky like I was, you might even snag it at a 50% discount. But of course, TubeBuddy is not just about affordability. It's about user-friendliness, especially for those new to SEO. Its interface is highly visual, making it easy to understand and gauge the potential of different keywords. This visual approach demystifies the often complex world of SEO, making it approachable for beginners. You won't be staring at any confusing data. Instead, you get clear, actionable insights. Let's dive in on how TubeBuddy works. First, go ahead and install TubeBuddy in your Chrome extension. So you can use the free version of TubeBuddy or you can have the Pro license. So in this video, we're going to use the Pro license because it gives you all the data that you need. Once you've installed TubeBuddy, you actually see the TubeBuddy icon right here. And you will see that I have the Pro license. So in this video, we're going to focus on using the Pro because it allows us to give the best data possible. But you can go ahead and try the free trial first. So the first thing that you're going to do is type the keywords that you want to explore more. So for example, I'm curious as to how people are using ChatGPT, how marketers are using ChatGPT. So as you can see, YouTube is already suggesting the phrase that people are typing. So I'm going to go ahead and click that so we can discover keywords that are related to this main phrase that I just typed. Now scroll down to the right side of the screen where you will see the TubeBuddy Search Explorer. And here you will see the search volume and the competition. So search volume in this case is pretty good because it's in the middle. Red is the worst and green is the best. So the same for competition. Red is the worst and green is the best or the excellent. Now, it combines both of those rating into overall, and which you can see now it has a score of 82 over 100, which is excellent. So just on my first try, I already discovered an excellent keyword that I can use. But now I'm going to go ahead and discover other potential keywords that are related to this. So as you can see, related searches, how to use ChatGPT as a marketer. So it's actually the same topic here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that because I can use that as part of my YouTube description or as part of the YouTube title. How can I use ChatGPT for marketing? How to use ChatGPT for online marketing? So I don't think I'll make separate videos for these related searches because I believe that they fall under the same topic. But for me, this is a winner because it already tells me that it's excellent. So choosing the video tags is also very important because once you upload your video, YouTube will ask you to put all of the tags related to your video. So you want to use as many as possible. So you can also click here, ChatGPT tutorial, how to use ChatGPT, ChatGPT marketing, ChatGPT for marketing, ChatGPT prompts. I'm not going to choose how to and AI tools because they might be too generic, but because how to doesn't really talk about ChatGPT. AI tools might be good because ChatGPT is an AI tools. ChatGPT marketing prompts, that is very good. So yeah, I think I have a really good set of tags and keywords here, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. And I think I'm going to create a full brief for this keyword. We're going to talk about content brief in a later part of the video, so make sure to stay tuned. Now, the next step is to explore more keywords related to how to use ChatGPT as a marketer. The goal here is to find other potential winning keywords that are excellent in score. Okay, now when I click the how to use ChatGPT as a marketer way of writing, so although it's the same topic, the variation of the words used is slightly different, and as you can see here, the scoring actually changed, and it's now 100 over 100, and the search volume actually moved to green, and the competition is good. So the search volume actually has moved to green, and the overall rating is 100 over 100. So I might actually use this as the main keyword for that video. So you can see how your main keywords changes based on the data that you find in TubeBuddy. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and click that video tag because ChatGPT marketing prompts is something that I'm an expert of and my target audience cares about. So I want to see the specific score of that keyword. So as you can see, the score is 72 over 100. It's still very good. So it's up to you how you want to prioritize your YouTube videos. Maybe you just want to make videos for all of the excellent overall rating. So I'm going to use this keyword as a separate video, which it will only just focus on talking about a list of ChatGPT marketing prompts. And in this video, I might be talking to more experienced marketers that are already using ChatGPT. In that other video, how to use ChatGPT for marketers, I might focus more on walking through what is ChatGPT and the potential use case. So now there are more related searches. I can actually go crazy around this. So there is ChatGPT prompts for email marketing. There is ChatGPT prompts for social media marketing. So I feel like just that one keyword that I typed in already gives me potential video. That already gives me like 5 to 6 videos separately. Once you have your final list of keywords, it's time to create a content brief. Do you really need a content brief? And the answer is a big yes. This brief should outline the topics you'll cover in your videos aligned with your chosen keywords. You should also be very clear about your target audience because it lets you know the important points you want to cover. So in this video, we are very specific with our target audience. So based on our YouTube keyword research for beginners, we know that either A, this YouTuber is just thinking about uploading their first set of videos, or they have already uploaded some videos, but they don't fully understand how SEO works yet. That's why they need to up their game so they can see the results that they want. Thinking about the questions that your audience might ask around the keyword that you chose also allows you to break down the videos into easily digestible chapters. This approach ensures your content is SEO friendly and genuinely useful to your viewers. Alright, now while mastering YouTube SEO is key to your success, there's another crucial aspect that you can't miss, and that's the quality of your video. This is where Vidpros steps in. Imagine having a professional team at your fingertips to edit and optimize your videos, making them not just SEO friendly, but also visually stunning. Vidpros offers on-demand video editing services that can elevate the quality of your video to match your improved SEO strategy. To learn more about Vidpros, just go to vidpros.com. We've also linked that below the video.